Happy New Year, everybody. If this is your first time, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. I am really excited about getting started. This is my first gift of the year. This is my my first Valentine's gift. And inside we have a rose bear. We have some handmade soap in the form of a heart, and this scent is Magnolia Blossom. I have all that kind of stuff on my website, of course. And then I have some handmade luxury bath salts. That's mine. And also we have a candlestick holder. I made this as well. Also available on my website. The link will be in the description. Also inside here are the Spa Luxury Bubble Bath and the mineral salts. And I'm not sure if I said it already. We have the candlesticks that go inside of the handmade candlestick holder. And we also have, excuse my hand in the way, we also have a set of Beauty Intuition lip balm and lip scrub. So, nice little gift to get started. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Alright, until next time, bye.